Alpha guys, welcome to my channel. This the coordinator for Sabir FS channel. Like I said earlier, we'll be going straight to the main target of today, and we're going to discuss on GDP USD and how to take the right correct entry at early stage. Like the week I've entered today, Sunday, like what happened on Thursday and Friday. We're going to make like reference to it and how we analyze it and why we enter and what makes us to enter and how it becomes profitable. And for those of you that haven't subscribed yet, you can subscribe for you. Once you subscribe, it will help us to to promote the community, and by liking the video also make YouTube to like share the video to more viewers if you find this video interesting and you're able to get what you're looking for. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to the main point. We will be analyzing GDP USD in this morning video. Like in the former video, we use AUD USD. Like I said before, late trade press, and the trade press is not always on constant. I mostly focus on GDP USD and AUD USD. So without wasting much of your time, I think the introduction to stop here so that we can move faster because we have a lot of things to cover this morning. So following the deadline that I'm having here, we're having about 5 to 6 things to point out, and if you can implement this, also take a also take an advice before going to a real entry, because I can't say I'll really advise you after the video, but you'll find it interesting. Trust me. Once you got what is inside this video, you'll not be like, wow, then I couldn't have entered when I entered before, or I couldn't have done this. Oh my god, so I was due inside. Yeah. Some people might be like, it's because of lack of information. Some people might be like, what even make me enter safe? Is it that somebody's there manipulating the market? No, nobody's manipulating it. It's just that you didn't get the right information at the right time. So without wasting much of your time, let's just go straight to the point. Straight point. What did I say earlier? We're going to use GDP USD. So let's click GDP USD now. Wow, the chart has opened. You know, this is GDP USD, and today is Sunday. That's why you're not seeing it moving like that. So we're going to change it to a landscape mode now, so that we'll be able to analyze it perfectly and be able to clear out some of the mistakes some traders, most especially new babies, commit, and struggling advanced intermediate traders also. So from what we're going to do now, trust me, I'm very sure you'll be like, you'll not even have option like than to subscribe so that you'll be the first person to be notified in our next video. Like I said earlier, GDP USD is one of the volatile currency pair. Others might prefer other Japanese pairs, Great British. Even this one too is the combination of Great British pound and United States dollar. So let me stop this digression so that we'll go to the main point. So let me change my this thing to land authoritative. Yeah, is in authoritative. I'll turn it now so that we can move straight to this main point. And you watching this video has already proven to me that you already know how to use your this thing, how to use your trading view. And for those that doesn't know how to use trading view, you can like comment in the you can comment in the description under the comment button there, so that I'll make video on how to like use your trading view perfectly, because it's when you understand how to use your trading view you'll be able to analyze chart perfectly. Because if you should use your MT4 to analyze, you might get the correct information you're looking for before taking the trade, and you may not get it. So it's a vice versa this thing like that. So without wasting much of your time, first of all we need to like identify the trend. Where is the market heading to? What is currently happening? We need to identify the trend. But identify the trend now, and you already know, yeah, you are correct in your mind now, is trend line. So we're going to plot our trend line for us to identify where the market is going to, and I'll also show you that this is how I analyze the market. And I'll also go to my MT4. I'll show you my current running trade. That's why today's weekend I close it. I turn some of the trade into my equilibrium, like a saturation point. Even though what happened overnight when the market opened on the Sunday night, it won't take me out. Even though it took me out, I'll not make loss because I've like take a partial profit. I'll also break even the trade. So just pay attention. Now we're going to draw this our trend line now to identify the key direction of the market. Then we'll now do the necessary thing, and I'll also show you what I see in the market and why I believe that the market will be going in that direction. And for those of you that doesn't know how to use this one, the trading view, like I said, you can comment in the comment this thing below, so that it will make me to publish a video that efficiently and effectively teach you how to use the trading view app. You can see the way we did, despite it's because I'm recording video, you didn't see it to be like much more straight, but you can see that it clearly shows that the market was in uptrend before a breakout, a retest, and it's trying to like go down now. But I entered at this zone. I entered at this zone. Sorry, no. I entered at this zone at 1.3088, and later on, when the market was going, it came down to this place, this next support. It was a previous support, though. When it came back to this support, it did big. It now ran up again to retest the immediate support that was broken, that now turns to resistance, and it formed a bearish candlestick there. There was an armor there on like using the top down analysis from 2 hours, 1 hour, then entry 30 minutes. You now see that yeah, it was a pullback, and I also entered the trade. Don't worry, I'll go to my MT4 and I'll show you that yes, I truly entered the trade, and I'm currently on profit, and I've also taken some levels of profit. So without wasting much of your time, we've identified the trend that it was an uptrend before. It broke out and retested at 1.29. So all this why it started in July. Let me just say from July we have been uptrend before it broke out last week from the uptrend, and it has retested again, and it's planning to retest. So what is the next thing to do is to mark out the major area. When the market was still on this thing, when the market was still on was still in uptrend going, despite it was breaking my counter trend line, I didn't take a sell because I was waiting for a good reaction. When I mark out my this thing, it shows me more reasons why I should enter the trade. And even sometimes some people might be, wow, why is this guy entering the trade? Why? What did he see? What is that? You know about what people say is about what you know that is good, and you have been like analyzing charts, and you have been seeing a lot of futures, and you have experienced it a lot. Just take it. Don't be scared of anything, because if you're scared of it, you don't learn anything. So analyze it. I mostly tell people that don't pay for this thing. What they call it? Some people call it the signals or whatever they call it. Don't pay for signal. Analyze chart by yourself. Once it fails, learn from your mistake. Come on YouTube channel like our Sabir FX channel. Look for good videos. We have psychological levels video. We have keystone level. We have a lot of indicators there. Indicator. We have a lot of videos there. A lot of videos there that will enhance and promote like it to improve the way you think. So let me just finish this one so that I'm still trying to mark out the key support areas that made me to like enter the trade last week, and it went profitable to me. So as I'm mapping out this thing, if you know you have not yet subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe, because if you subscribe now, you'll be among the first person to be notified whenever we upload new video. And from what we are doing here, don't mind me that you are seeing me marking something, cloning, and you don't know how to do it. Don't worry, you are already at the right bus stop. You are not going anywhere again. Just be patient. And for those of you that doesn't know how to use the trading view, what did I say? I said just comment in the comment box below. It will make me to once I can see the comment this in there. Once I can see the reaction in the comment box, it will make me to like these guys really need this video, and I'll publish it immediately. I might even do it today, but you know, rushing it doesn't matter. Is what I'm delivering that matters. You can see now I've pointed a lot of key zone. I've pointed a lot of correct key zone, like I promised in the title, that make you to click and view this video. Don't worry, for those of you that don't know how to clean all this thing out, you can comment in the comment box below. It will make so that I'll know how many people are interested in it, and I'll do a lot of videos key to key. It might even be a 30 minutes or 20 minutes video that I'll do so that you understand how to use it. And for those that already claim to be intermediate or struggling traders like I am before, don't worry, you can continue from here and you'll be able to like understand. So after pointing out my key correct zone here, you can see that when price reaches this place at 1.31337, price got rejected. There was a lot of reactions there. Price got rejected. It was going downward to gather a lot of momentum before going up. If it come to that side again, price still got rejected by his price got rejected. That's why there was an engulfing candle, blue engulfing candles. Some of you might even be wonder why my chart is showing red and blue. The blue shows the uptrend, the bullish candlestick, while the red one shows the bearish. So that was my preferred color. But if you don't know how to set your own to your preferred color, you can comment in the comment box below. It will like make me to like make a video that will be beneficial to you in how to use them. So let us not digress too much. So like I said, price got rejected at this zone. It was coming down to form a momentum and also break out that place, but it reaches that place again. It still got rejected and came down here. Immediately it came down here. It make a double bottom. So a lot of people, it make a double bottom. A lot of people might be thinking, wow, this is the right entry now to like buy. Remember, there was a strong resistance here. It got rejected. It came back, retested again, and went down again. But from this one, you'll be like, wow, this is the right entry. Let me buy. Let me risk 20 pips. Let my stop loss be this, that. No, you just have to like wait for the next candlestick. You can see that after this little rough this in there consolidation here, you can see that there was a bearish confirmation that the market is about to go down in this place. You can see this candlestick on Wednesday around 1 o'clock in Nigeria time. You can see that this was a candlestick that shows a bearish confirmation, and immediately after I entered, I'll go to my MT4. I'll show you that I've even make over 100 pips, more than 100 pips on this trade already. So that was when I like, okay, since the market since this bearish candlestick have shown me that the market is about going down, I say, okay, no, let me not even go there first. Let me try like identify another thing that will like give me more edge. You know, in the market you have to like have a lot of evidence that is making you to like take this trade. It will tell you that this trade is about to go in your favor. It's about to do this. That was when I draw my next trade line at this zone that you are seeing. This zone that I just drawn now, I will not see something familiar. What are you saying that is familiar? What chart pattern are you saying that is familiar? It seems like an head and shoulder pattern, right? If you say here is the one shoulder, here is the head, and here is the other shoulder, and you can see the neckline. In between the neckline, that candlestick we're talking about here that time, you can see the candlestick here now. It has the neckline have been broken already. Is that candlestick even closed? It was full safe. The candlestick is a bearish engulfing candlestick that engulfed that little baby that is there in between the consolidation this thing there. So immediately after the breakout of the neckline, it proves to us that the market is going down. And immediately after I enter my MT4, don't worry, I just want to like explain why I entered the correct entry, why I entered that level, what's that level show me before I entered. If not, I could go to my MT4 and show you how, if I took the trade or not, and hear about, because some people might be doubting that no, it's claiming this, claiming that. You can see that zone 1.3033. Once I finish what I'm explaining now and what gave me edge, what did I employ before it gave me the assurance of entry detail, and what was my risk and reward ratio. Once I finish explaining all those concepts, I'll go to my MT4 and show you the video. And for those of you that are just joining us now, I wanted to make a live video, but our community is a new channel, so you can help us to grow our community by subscribing, liking. See, to subscribe will help us to grow our community, and to like will make YouTube. Liking means you are telling YouTube that this video is good, that they should share it with other viewers, other strongly traders that are looking for video. A lot of people might be doing videos that doesn't merit, and you're just wasting your data. They're not giving your data to us. It's when you like, YouTube will now spread, like share our videos to a lot of strongly people searching for good videos there. So I would advise you try likes and comments. So without digressing further, you can see that after we have identified that we have drawn another trend line here, from this trend line we drew now, it shows us that there was a head and shoulders chart pattern. This head and shoulder chart pattern also correlates with this zone that you are seeing. This zone here at 1.3037, 1.3037 here. This support that a lot of people thought before that is a strong support that needs to be bought. But me, I say no, I'll wait, something wants to happen there, and I draw my trend line like this. Immediately I saw a bearish confirmation that broke the trend line. I say wow. Even when it broke immediately, I didn't enter because I want to enter at the best price. Because if I should enter at this zone now, you might see that it's 1.3020 I'm entry. But I set my sell order up here. Sell order at 1.30. I set my stop loss at 1.30. That was addition of 10 pips, right? Yeah, my stop loss was something 20 pips risk. 25 pips risk. So my stop loss was 1.3065, and my take profit was actually the next support. The next support, since the previous support will now become the new resistance. My take profit was at this zone. But when the market was coming down close to my stop loss, coming down to my TP, my second TP was here. So I broke even to this side. That is, whether the market go back or not, I will not take any loss again. It's either more profit or a profit. So I break even to this side, and the market retests to this area again. Here is also a key area. It seems like, I plotted something there. I use my horizontal array. Yeah, there's something called horizontal array. You might not be able to like point out a lot of things from the previous this thing. What happens there? You can see that price came to retest at 1.2967. I also take a trade. I'll go to my MT4 and I'll show you people why I took the trade, because now we have identified that it's a chart pattern, a head and shoulder chart pattern. So that was what gave us an edge to enter the trade. And immediately we entered. It was going in our favor up to this length, and it went back to retest this new zone that we drawed now, that became our new resistance. It came to retest at that zone 1.29672. So when it retests that zone, I still entered a trade from there. I'll show you my MT4 later. So once I enter from that place, I'll be like, what would be my next my next take profit. What if it reaches this place and it starts going back against me? I say no, the trend is your friend. Since it's making you know, a trending market is the one that's making higher low for a bullish and lower high lower low. So it was making a lower high lower low. I say okay, yeah, it's still going down, and I increase my take profit downward. Why I'm increasing my take profit? I'm still entering at the next retest, like at this zone again, 1.2900. This place we are seeing, this particular place. I also entered again. I entered this place because it broke this support and it came back to retest at that place. It make a lower low. This lower low that is there give me a strong reason to enter. You can see that I've entered like a 3 trades or 4 trades there about. I've closed some, but I'll show you about 4 that is still left that I broke it, even in my MT4. So I see enter in this place because it came back to retest at this place again, and which give me more confidence that yeah, the market is still ready to go down. And I entered the 4th or 5th entry. Yeah, no, it's 5th entry. Yeah, I take the 5th entry from this side, and the 5th entry is the one we're currently in. And you can see the market that is trying to like come up here to retest and to be a double top again, which will give me an edge to enter another trade. Then we'll now be awaiting what the market will do next. I've been saying all this. You can see what happened in this area. You can see what happened in this area. The first thing is we identified our trend. What was the market doing before? Despite our trend that was not like in the right touch, you can still see that I was able to mark out the right, identify the correct thing, because the trend is always your friend. Once you want to go against the trend, be very careful. That is counter trading. Counter trading is also good. Also trade it, but you have to be careful, know when to exit and know where to enter, because if you don't know when to enter and know when to use when you are counter trading, you might get involved in the excess loss, because your stop loss might be wide because you are going against the trend. But sometimes it's also a profitable. A lot of people specialize in counter trading. I also do sometimes, but it's very rare for me to like see the actual trend and I'll now be going against it. So it depends on what works for you. And don't take this knowledge as something that let me fund my life account. I've learned this price action strategy. They're giving me the current details and how to market, and you go and deposit. Oh, guy, your money go. Do you know what you have to do first? Just open your demo account. All these things I've explained, try employ them in your demo account like in 2 weeks, like 5 days trading, Monday to Friday. You see what happened, the new things that happen to your account. Unlike the previous one, blowing. I can see losing trade is normal. But blowing accounts more than 3 times is abnormal. In fact, that person is insane. Why are you blowing accounts? Why you already get the needed information, except you have been following wrong people? And since you're in Sabir FS channel now, you're already at the right place. Just subscribe. By subscribing now, you'll be the first person to be notified in our next video. So after explaining all this now, you can see the reason why we took the trade. And currently, I'm expecting the market. Let me just put my risk this in here. Okay, I also forget to tell you the risk reward ratio that mostly give me like an edge to trade. I mostly use sorry, I went and click long instead of short position. Like I said, for those of you that doesn't know how to use this trading perfectly, you don't know the in and out, you don't know when to use it, you don't even know how to pick a lot of things, just comment in the comment box below. It will motivate me to do a good special video for you guys, and it will it serious. It worth it. So I told you I enter at this zone. It was because of this video I remove my risk reward this thing. But after I place it now, I want to show you people my target. After I show you people now, I will show you guys. I will take you guys to my MT4, and you now see that yeah, I actually took the trade. And why did I take the trade? Sorry, that wasn't my stop loss. That wasn't my stop loss. Oh, God forbid. No. So actually, this was my stop loss. You can see that my stop loss was very small. I didn't take the trade from the higher time frame. I went down to my 30 minutes time frame. So some people might be like, what is this saying? Look at his stop loss. He's not even close. He's not this. He's not that. No, guy. I didn't take the trade from the higher time frame. I did my top down analysis from 4 hours. I know what is going on. I identified the trade. That was when I come to this. Immediately it broke this thing. Let me show you here. Immediately it broke this neckline. You can see that it broke this neckline. It come down to this side. I didn't end. I was waiting for it to like come and retest at this zone. So immediately that candlesticks were coming to retest this zone. Immediately I didn't even like wait a little bit. It just came back in form of a bullish this thing. And I already know from the knowledge I already have that it's just coming to like retest and form a week and start going down straight. Immediately I start stacking. I could stack almost 10, if not now, because I wasn't expecting the market to go down too much. So I closed some trades already, but I still have some trade like they are up to 5 oxys. Immediately I finish explaining this one, I'll just go there. You can see that what gave me more edge, like more reasons to enter the second trade was this zone. You can see this zone. It was also a strong zone. After the market broke this zone, it came back to retest. It was almost close to the cycle. It's very close to the cycle level, but it's not a cycle level. That was a previous support that was broken. It was retest. I entered. So you can see this clone area again. It was a key support level, a strong one. I also entered this place, and it's that one that we're currently on it. So after finish saying this, let me take you guys to my MT4 so that you now know that yeah, this guy took the trade, he took the trade, and so. So it will not be like no, he's claiming of what it doesn't mean or whatsoever it is. So guys, right now my trading this thing now in my MT4, I'll tell you that I only trade 3 pairs, and it's not always that I trade what is it called that US30. No, I basically trade GBP USD and AUD because I want to like specialize. Like you see what I was saying, but I said I entered the first trade here. I entered with a little like according to the money in my account there, so I entered with 0.05. But after some limits that is broken, I know that it's coming to retest at this zone, but I didn't set it here. But I did quick so that I can enter at a best price. You can see here, so I can enter at the best price, and it actually came there and triggered my trade. From there again, I still wait here. When the price was coming down, it came to retest. That was the one that I entered most. There are a lot of entries, but I've closed them today Sunday. I've closed them already, and I've closed them. The account was 10.43, right? Yes, I started with 10.43. I've closed a lot of trades already. These are the one that I broke even them. Like I entered with 0.03 lots, but I've taken 0.02, and this is the current one that is remaining. And the market is Sunday, as you can see. This is a live account, so that is that. And the indicator, this thing you are seeing there. The indicator you are seeing there, this one is a 200 moving average. In case you might like to employ it, and if you know you don't want to like put all those this thing, plot your support so that you train ash or all this stuff, just comment in the comments below. It like motivates me to like, oh, this guy really needs this. Like, yeah, I have to like go for this. I have to like bring a video that will be efficient and effective for everybody to understand. You can see that I really entered the trade. I've closed a lot of it. I told you that the account was 10.49, not 47. It was 10.49. I had 49. I just moved $10 from my major account to this account because I'm currently testing a strategy. I'm testing strategy expected to use. Don't even use live trading if you're not good in trading. Just use them. So I'm not advise you to even go into a live trading yet, except you have a financial advice and you have worked on your emotion and you have tested. You already have a working strategy. This is when I would advise you to enter